In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comment notion. If you've ever left feedback on a page and now want to clean things up, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to delete a comment without any confusion. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast so you can get right back to your work. First, open your Notion page and locate the text or block that has a comment attached. Comments in Notion are tied to specific blocks, and they're usually indicated by a highlight or a small speech bubble icon. To reveal the actual comment thread, click directly on the highlighted block or the piece of text that's marked. The moment you click, Notion will open the comment panel or popover so you can see the conversation related to that piece of content. With the comment visible, move your mouse over the exact comment you want to remove. As you hover over it, a three dots icon will appear, typically in the upper right corner of that comment. This icon is your More Options menu. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your cursor is directly over the comment itself rather than the surrounding area, and give it a second to appear. Now click the three dots icon to open the options for that specific comment. From the menu that shows up, choose Delete. Notion will remove that comment from the thread, and you'll see it disappear right away. That's it. The deletion applies to the comment you selected, and the rest of the thread remains as is. If the comment you deleted had replies, your deletion will remove just that comment, not the entire conversation, unless that comment was the only item in the thread. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't have the option to delete, it may be because you don't have the right permissions on the page or database. In that case, check with the page owner or an admin. If you click delete by mistake, you can usually undo shortly after by using your standard undo shortcut as long as you haven't navigated away. Also, make sure you're clicking the comment attached to the correct block, because comments are block specific and it's easy to select the wrong one if there are several nearby. And that's all there is to it. Click the highlighted block to show the comments, hover to reveal the three dots, click the three dots, and select delete. Simple, tidy, and done. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.